Do you have a job for me? Can you help me find a job as an interpreter? Unfortunately, I'm not an agency and I cannot hire you. Maybe just yet. But I can share with you the things that I have done to find a job as an interpreter. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Elhan. I'm an interpreter and children's author, and today I would like to share with you all the points I have followed to ensure a job, and sometimes more than one job, as an interpreter. Number one, make sure you search regularly. Do not just do it when you are done with an assignment and now you have nothing in your hand and need to have a job right now, and then you go and search for jobs. No, do it regularly. Have a few companies that you're in contract with, even if you can't work for them. It's always easier to have an assignment and say, sorry, I'm already busy, I cannot take on this assignment, rather than wait to be finished with all of your assignments and then see that you do not have a job at this point. So make it a habit to search regularly for jobs. You can use the online search engines. You can go to specific websites and look for jobs. Just make it a habit. Add it to your phone reminder, put it on your fridge. Make sure you do it regularly. Number two, make sure you have an online presence. Use the social media platforms that you already have to let others know that you are an interpreter. Also, use platforms that are specifically for professional networking, like LinkedIn. I love this platform. I'm not sponsored by them, but this is the platform on which I have found a few jobs, and actually, many people and companies have contacted me through that platform to offer me some assignments and jobs. So once you have an online presence, once you show your talent and skill to the world, I know it can be really intimidating sometimes. It's still not easy for me to be standing in front of this camera and talk to it, but I do it because of the importance of being present online. So show your skills. It's okay even to record yourself in sessions, only if the client allows it, of course, and let the world see how you perform in action. Let them see it all, even the flaws. It's okay. No interpreter has it perfectly all the time. We all make mistakes, and that's fine. That's part of the job too. And that's for the client to decide to go with you or not. So make sure you do have some sort of an online presence. Number three, if you are a new interpreter and you still do not have a professional job as an interpreter, practice within the network that you already have. Practice among your friends, practice among your family, put on some YouTube videos and practice with them. If you're an Arabic interpreter, you can use some of the videos I have on my YouTube channel to practice. Actually, if you're an interpreter of any other language as well, you can mute me when I am interpreting and you do the interpretation at that point. Whether it's consecutive, simultaneous, doesn't matter. You need to be practicing every day. So when the right opportunity comes to you, you are absolutely ready. And also, when you do practice like that among friends and family and tell people that you're an interpreter, the word can spread. So when someone has heard from someone else that you do interpreting and then need an interpreter, they will remember that and come back to you. So talk about it. Don't be shy to tell others that this is what you do. Number four, be open to feedback. Sometimes we think that we're doing perfect, but someone else's feedback can actually help us grow and see the little things that we might not have seen as flaws in ourselves. So if someone tells you that you have missed a point or your tone could have been better in this particular spot, take it with an open heart. Don't be offended. Take it as a chance to improve. So always be open to feedback. Number five, strengthen your language skills. As interpreters, we speak in more than one language. One of those languages is usually stronger than the other language. So what we need to do is strengthen the second language and make it as strong as our native language or as our stronger language. If we have that stronger language, we need to try and find vocabulary in other domains maybe to improve ourselves, or in the specific domain that we only work in, try to improve and find things that we can always work on and improve language-wise. Listening to things that are at a higher level linguistically, maybe some poetry, maybe some literature. Always think of how you can improve your language skills. Not long ago, I went back to my university material from about 20 years ago to refresh my memory when it came to not just the grammar that everyone knows, but at a more deeper level, at a professional level. As a linguist, I need to remember many things and always update myself. Also, even literature, how to improve my language when I'm speaking. So when I listen more to it, there is a lot of resources now online that were not available when I was studying. So just putting my headphones on when I'm at the gym or walking or doing anything that's not language related, I listen to poetry or books in the languages that I like to improve so that it becomes just second nature when I start speaking. Number 6, connect with other professionals in your field. If you're an interpreter, connect with other interpreters that you know have more experience than you. Don't be shy to go to them, ask them for their experience, ask them questions in what you might find difficult for you. I know some of us have been programmed to always have that competitive spirit and always be the best. But now, as an adult, I know that was not really serving me when I was younger in school. So I make sure that I'm actually surrounded by professionals that are better than me. I am in contact with people that are better than me so that I can get to that level and I can become a better version of what I am right now. So make sure you do the same. Number 7, keep a professional attitude. Show up on time. Be polite. Stay neutral. A lot of interpreters lose clients not because they don't have the interpreting skills that they need, but because they simply did not show up on time on a particular assignment. Or they might have been dressed inappropriately. Or maybe they broke confidentiality. Professionalism brings trust, and trust brings you more jobs. Number 8, keep learning and networking. Join interpreter groups online, follow professional associations, and attend workshops and conferences when you can. Networking helps you find out what's happening in your field and opens doors to new opportunities. One of the things I love doing when I'm attending a conference is actually have a headset and listen to the interpreters when they're working. Why? Because that increases my own knowledge about interpreting. Sometimes other interpreters use terminologies that I've never thought of, or phrases that are so beautiful and I knew them but do not necessarily use them. So attending such events not only opens the doors for you to finding job opportunities, but also helps you improve as an interpreter. So these are my tips on how to find a job as an interpreter. Remember, stay connected, stay visible. I really don't know how to emphasize enough on this particular point. It's also very important to stay humble and always learning. If this video helped you, share it with other interpreters, please, and leave a comment saying how you found your first job or one of your jobs in a way that was really unexpected to you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.